Looks like we are live now. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Shrey, and you are watching Shrey TV, baby. Look at that bounce, man. Look at that bounce. Wow. Better than what we expected. I was expecting a rejection at this level right here at 21.5. We passed that, and I see why we did. That's where we are going, right? So I think it's enough for today. I think it's enough for today. Why? I'll show you. I believe in arcs, right? If you know my charting styles, I do a lot of arcs and a lot of trend lines. See what I mean? So we will stay in this arc, right? And this arc ends up going down, right? So we might come and test 20,380. You know, wick could go down to 20,200, right? Somewhere around that vicinity. That's where I expect Bitcoin to go down. How long it's gonna take, God knows. I think this, we are building an arc and a triangle at the same time. So depends how you look at this arc, you know. Is it this one or the next one? Let's look at a daily one. How's everyone, man? How's everyone? I told you not to stress about Bitcoin. Yeah, it's just a drama, man. It's just a drama. We just have to get over with the drama before the moment, you know, whatever happens in between right now in this triangle is just noise. It's just noise. You know, we could come back down like this. Some sort of news will come, go up, back up again, come back down. And then, you know, probably end of March, I think. Mid of, I would say, yeah, this is when you would get shoot up, you know, to this $25,000 level where Bitcoin, that's where I see Bitcoin. End of March, first week of April. Breakout. How's everyone, man? How's the chat? Can you hear me? I don't see the chat. What's happening with the chat? Is it alive? Can you hear my voice? Everything's clear. Good to go. Guys, make sure to hit that like button. Why is the chat dead? Hey, can you hear me? Everybody new here? Okay. So I predicted this a few days ago, right? Like this dump and pump. So, you know, I'm glad it's happening, but it's just boring. Cody, what's happening, brother? Ripster. Yeah, man. Chat's alive. Okay, good. You guys laying in bed and watching Shrey TV right now? BC Drums. Evening, Shrey. Sound is good. Great. Chuck Freeman. Everything sounds good. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. So, yeah, man. Bitcoin's gonna do this dance around. Man, look at this. We're again, it's going up, trying to go up, but it won't be able to pass this resistance. See this? Like this one? You know, you could see a wick go to 22,646, but that's it. I don't think we are going anywhere above this, right? That's it. Come back down. You know, I would short Bitcoin right here. I never like to say things like that, you know, but I would short. It'll be a profitable trade, I think. Guys, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. Okay, I do think, Bitcoin had a good run. You can short right now if somebody knows how to short. Right, on KuCoin, I think you can short. But yeah, I would short Bitcoin, next few days, 1 or 2 days, to 20,000. I would say 20,700. I would get out of the short. 20,800 to be safe. I would get out. It would probably go to 20,250 or 20,300, but this is just to be safe. 20,800. Yeah, this is where I would get out of the short position. Get in right now. Perfect. I would do a 5x. Chuck Freeman, check out Epic Cash charts again when you can. I am not a TA guy, but would like your input. Ned, cocaine and hookers only for the next few months. Brian, might go higher with the Fed bailing out the banks. I don't think so, bro. It's not me. It's the resistance calling for Bitcoin. It's just because, as I said, we have time. We have time to go up. Bitcoin, has to waste time. It's just, wasting time. We are going to this spot eventually. This is where Bitcoin is going, right? Form some sort of channel. See this? The top of the channel is $29,000, $30,000. It coincides with this trend line. So yeah, I think we are going to $29,000. 29 too. The wick could go to $30,000. But that's it, and have a big correction after that, and then we'll keep on going up. Probably my target for Bitcoin between $33,000 to $36,000. That's where my target is for Bitcoin. 33 to 36. Yeah. For this run. Once we go to 29, I do expect a good size correction. At 29 to $30,000, have a good size of correction. Then go back up again to 33, 34, probably 36. And then we'll decide at that time, what's going to happen. There is a possibility that it reaches between $33,000 to $36,000, and does something like this, right? Goes back to 29. Then we go to $34,000 to $36,000, and something really bad happens, and boom, come back down to $17,000 or $16,000. That's what I expect. I expect some sort of correction, massive correction. But everything depends on how long it takes, where we go, what time. But yeah, I do expect a massive correction. Depends on how the cycle goes, okay? If we decide to go to $50,000 and not stop at 36 and go to 50,000, then it's a total different cycle that I'll be projecting. There are two cycles that I have in mind. We break $36,000 and end up going to $50,000, then this will be a different trajectory where the cycle would go. Okay, then we would not take this route. So yeah, depends. Okay, so yeah, right now I'm just taking it day by day and looking at my other cryptos, where all my other cryptos are. This is where I'll be taking profits, right? You know, if my other cryptos have come to their levels which I expect, that means it's the top for Bitcoin and it'll start to come back down. So, you know, there are 2-3 ways of looking at, you know, this run. But right now I'm bullish. You know, after this pump, obviously I expect a dump to 22,300, 22,500 to 22,250 we can dump. I mean 21,000. I'm sorry. Let's see. Hold on. What are we expecting? I expect a dump right now. Possible dump to 20,700, between 20,700 to 20,500. Possible a dump. We come back to that level. Yeah. 20,000. Yeah, 20,700 to 20,500. That's the range. The wick could go down to 20,200 or 300. But I think we will stop now. This is too much price action just for a day. Killed all the shorts. Now it's time to come back down. Relax. See this arc? Yep. I don't think we are going any higher. Maybe a little bit of wick could go a little bit higher. Probably to 23,300. It's possible. 23,120. But then we'll come back down. It's done. What else is pumping? Jupe synthetic network is pumping. Wow. Bill will be really happy. Bill's got a lot of synthetic network, right? Let me look at synthetic network. SNX. Yeah, even if it goes a little higher, it'll come back down. So it's not ready yet. I don't think so. This is the Bitcoin chart against synthetic. So it's possible we might get this run like that, go up, and then come back down like that. Go below this level and then start to go up. Yeah. Sorry, Bill, I just don't like the synthetic network. Chart. Personally, not a fan of. Personally, not a fan of this chart. A lot of danger signs I see. Needs to get out of this. You know, even if it gets out, I'll be like scared. You know, it's just how my mind works, man. I like to look at these arcs, and it's just that whichever way you cut it, looks like it has not gone down enough. Sorry about that. I would take some profits. If it pumps to this level, I would surely take some profits. You know, if it pumps to $6. Yeah, $5.20, $6. If it does. Big Papa Pump. Shrey, thanks for the TA, brother. Could you look at Dash? It crashed, then pumped. Curious on your thoughts. Thanks. Max Freeman, can you chart Epic? Yeah, sure. You know, let me chart this first. Thanks for the $5, Big Papa, and Max. Thanks for the $10. But let me do the Dash first. Dash against Bitcoin. Came out of this falling wedge and looks like it's coming back for a retest against Bitcoin. Look at the RSI. It's been going down on a monthly since 2017. This will make a U pattern. Slowly, gradually, it'll make a U pattern. You know, you see this? That's let's look at the weekly and see that are already started to go up. So the price has to catch up to the RSI. You see the weekly RSI is going up and price is going, but like you're making this small little U, right, in the whole cycle, right? So I do think make this arc. If at all we don't pump all the way to the all-time high, then at least to these levels we should expect a pump. Pump to this level, right? That is 17 to 18x. But depending on when it does, say for example, Bitcoin is pumping at the same time and Dash is pumping against Bitcoin, then you know, if this says 17 or 18x, it could be a lot higher. So let's look at the Dash against dollar. See, top, bottom, right? If it breaks this level, I don't mind if this thing comes back down like that and hangs around here before we pump up. But if it breaks below this $30 mark, it'll come back down to this 9 or yeah, this level right here. It'll come to just $9, $9.50 or $9. Yeah, before it has a magnificent run. But likelihood of that is very low. We could have this as a channel, and it's the fact that we haven't reached the top yet. It's possible. So Dash could just, you know, come back down to this level, $32. Let's see. Yeah, it could come back down one more time to 31, 32 before moving up. It's possible. If it goes any lower than that, then you know the targets, right? But higher frame target, when you looked at Bitcoin, it showed me 17 to 2000, right? So here, the channel here shows between 17x to 18x as well, right? So I'm being conservative with Dash. $800 to between $800 to $900 Dash is possible. When exactly time frame? I don't know, bro. You know, we'll have to see. See, this is a very prominent line as well of the price, but my mind cannot fathom that Dash could possibly do this. You know, cryptos, I've seen cryptos do this, that they go for this trajectory, man, then the price we are talking about is $5,000, $6,000. That is crazy. You know, again, my mind cannot that's why I'm being conservative. 618 comes to $2,600. 2618 comes to ridiculous amount. So it passes it passes 1.618, then you know $5,000. But just I again like to be conservative, because for me 15 to 20x is a lot of money. So I would stay conservative and say it would go for this trend line and reach the top of this channel and correct a little bit. But by that time, if I had Dash, I'll be out of the market. $800. I'll say adios amigos to crypto and my crypto friends. See ya. I'll be out. But anyways, so I do expect Dash to be on conservative level, somewhere between 700 to 800 levels. If we break this $30 level, then we are going to $9. $9 right here. $9. Okay. Max Freeman wanted Epic Cash. Is not Epic Cash. Start of the cycle for Epic Cash. So it'll have a good, if you look with this trajectory, like this will have a nice cycle. I'm not worried about Epic Cash. Just look at this, man. I feel $100 is easy, doable, but again, it's going to be not easy like tumultuous cycle. I do expect one pump and dump. It would go probably to between $9 to $11 and then dump. So I do expect right now how much it can consolidate. It can come back down to even to this level if it wants to. You see this trend line? It can come and kiss that trend line if it wants to. I would say it would form some sort of arc going up like that. Going to say, for example, $11 by August, 11 to 12 dollars by August, then we have this time to kill, right? So it can come back down to probably 0.90 to even come and kiss 62 cents. It's possible. Okay, but I do expect a something like this, and then go up 10 to 12 bucks, have a big rejection, come back down to this line, and then it starts its journey towards, 100, possibly 200 bucks, depending on when the cycle ends. I am bullish on the market till 2025. So, I'm just looking at this channel and the arc, just because this particular charts coin trader won't allow me to go beyond this level for charts. That's why I'm not able to draw the arc. The arc could extend up, so the price could hit, possibly between 100 to 200 bucks if we take this trajectory. Just because the market cap is so low, right? There are two ways it can go, right? This is a big level of resistance. If we are able to pass that, then this will be the trajectory for the next level, right? So again, for me, this is a level that every time it hits this level, it'll be like time to be cautious, right? So if the market, I expect to be bullish till 2025, then look at this, right? Follow this trend line, right? That's what I'll be doing, following my trend line. And I like to be conservative. That's why I pulled it a little bit lower, because the top is here. You're supposed to touch it there, but I like to be conservative and like to get out of the market before not wait all the way to the end. So yeah, we'll see step by step. Let's reach this $12 to $13 level for Epic Cash. We need to pump and dump and then pump. Okay. Celebrate the first super chat from Max Freeman. Max, are you the founder of Epic Cash? Is that correct? Somebody told me that you are the founder of Epic Cash. Somebody in the chat last time told me that Max Freeman is here. He got Epic Cash. So I'm just wondering. And I tried to figure out who is Max Freeman, and I was not able to find your face anywhere, because you have other people's face, right? Like this guy's face on all videos, where you have on your profile picture. Jupiter, JUP, is pumping. What a mess. This looks like a mess. This looks like a mess. Jupiter. Man, this looks like a mess. Me don't like Jupiter. If we break below this, Jupiter is going to hell. Well, I'll take my words back. It already went to the hell and came back. It went to 99.98% down. Guys, this went to zero. Jupiter went to zero, literally. When you talk about crypto going to zero, this is the best example. Jupiter already went to 99.98%. Wow. Look at that. Look at that drop. 99.99%. Jupiter. Wow. See, if you put say $100,000 in it, it would become $100 at the top. So yeah, man. Crypto is not for the faint-hearted. But look at the magnificent pump that people made. Crazy kind of money, people who got in here. Wow. 90,000, 100,000% pump. Boy, oh boy, man. People who got in here did so good. So good. I want to get, please God, give me this 100,000 pump. One of my cryptos need to pump, at least 50,000%. Man, that'd be so fun. It's not just about the money. It's just the excitement that you get out of pump like that. Actually, I'll be ungrateful, but Luna did pump. I had put in only $800. It went to $45,000, for Luna, the old Luna. I bought it like really cheap like that, threw in just $800 and added, I think, $200 more to it. So $1,100 probably, which went to $45,000. Like crazy, man. It pumped like crazy. So, but anyways, this was Jupe. So critical level we are in. Can't go lower than that or else it's doomed. Yeah. G. Agosto. Shrek TV, baby. Yeah, man. Chuck Freeman. Lots of excitement to come that cannot factored into charts. Yes, Chuck. I'm not a TA guy, but would like to input. Okay. Yeah, I like Epic Cash. It'll be great if it was listed on more exchanges. See, people are not very tech savvy, right? You want liquidity, you need to have this token on more exchanges. That's the only way to get more people on board. I stopped vaping since yesterday, so I haven't vaped since then, so I shouldn't say stopped. I'm trying to. Can you please do analysis on RSR coin? Okay, Bunkim, RSR. Bunkim, you're on my Patreon, right? Reserved right is supposed to be like a Fed coin, okay? They call this a Fed coin. You know what is a Fed coin? That means this is a government coin. That's what they say. So, again, this chart. This is RSR against Bitcoin. Looks good to me, bro. Look at this. Unless it wants to be nasty. Unless it wants to be nasty and break this resistance. Break this resistance like that. I don't think it'll do that because it goes to zero. It goes to zero. It won't do that. I think this is it. This is it. This is against RSR against Bitcoin. Look at that. Perfect triangle pattern. We just need a breakout. RSR. Let's look at RSR against dollar. I like about this particular pattern is it made a kind of lower high, right? So the trajectory is upwards. As soon as we get out of this, bro, fireworks will start. Go any below this level, not good. Right? Can we make another low? Yes, it's possible. If it gets out of this channel, then 0.002, yeah. Because you see, this is a falling wedge, right? How low can it go? I think it can come back for a retest of 0.003, but I think that would be it. Anything lower might just want to scare you, but that would be a 0.002 would be the worst case scenario for RSR. And then the best case scenario, somewhere in 2020 for 22 cents. In between, we could, if we are lucky, if you're lucky, we pump to this level. Anytime we go above 5 cents, I would take some profits. Anytime, period. We go above 5 cents, we gotta take profits. Okay, because it'll come back down. So yeah, if it goes above 5 cents, 6 cents, I would take profits. If it gets out of this channel, there's a high possibility of it happening. If it does, this will be the trajectory I'll be looking for RSR. $618 is coming to 82 cents. Okay. Yep, 618 is coming to 80 cents. We'll see. We'll see. This channel, the top of the channel is 20 cents. But critical level is 5 cents. Depending on if you're able to break that, then let's live in a dream world that possibly we could go to 73 to 80 cents. Looking at the chart, looks like it's going to $1 RSR. Okay, it's possible, $1. But I won't be greedy, I'll be happy with my 18-20 cents. That's still a lot of money from here. Wow, this looks like a 40x coin to me. 40x is a lot of money, man, a lot of money. But it could take a long time. I'm projecting this arc this way. It could take a long time for it to, this could just jerk us around at the bottom of the channel for a long time before it could be stuck in this channel right there for a long time. It could just jerk you around like that, go up, down, go up, down for a long time here before we start going back up. Okay, Hold on, my buddy is calling. Yeah, I'm live, bro. Yeah, I'm live. All right. Okay, where was I? Yeah, so it could stay stuck in this channel for a long time before it goes up. Okay, so might have to have patience for this project, right? So as soon as we get out of this channel, you know, we could see the price go up to 20 cents, right? And if you're able to get out of the channel, oh boy, this, you know, limitless. I would say, you know, a dollar. Dollar looks more like it. Probably go to a dollar. Manan Patel, how much money did you use to short Bitcoin? No, bro, I haven't shorted Bitcoin. I've never shorted Bitcoin ever. I want to, you know. I will when Bitcoin reaches probably between $33,000 to $36,000, and depending on where my other cryptos are, I will learn how to short Bitcoin. But with very little amount of money, I would do that. You know, $5,000-$10,000, something like that. You know, just for fun. If I made a ton of money in my other crypto, and if I want to hedge, shorting is just a hedge against the market, because you want to still stay in the market. You don't want to get out, but you're tired of looking at your portfolio going always down, right? So you go hedge against that and short it, right? So I would short when Bitcoin reaches at a certain target. Insane Motivation by DJ. Please check ACS. I did ACS, Assemble Protocol. Just my previous live, bro. Assemble Protocol. I did. ACS is Assemble, right? Brian, what up, Shrey? BCH, thanks, bro. Yeah, man. BCH is gonna do well. I told you when. The time for BCH will come. This is when I'll be all in. I am all in, but I'll be buying a lot more. I'll be buying a lot more BCH when the time comes. Just look at this cycle for BCH. Alright, BCH against Bitcoin. Always follow this. Nothing else. Just... I told you, right? My last projection of Bitcoin Cash, I mentioned that we will go, either we go create a double bottom or go little lower than that, little lower, make another low against Bitcoin. And this is when it's done. Bitcoin Cash will be done. So we could possibly come back down like that and make another low like that, and Bitcoin Cash will be done. Right, then we head up to this level, have a nice pump and a dump back down. Once this pump and dump is over, the biggest bull cycle for Bitcoin Cash will come to fruition that nobody even can fathom. Okay, no matter where the market is, if banks are going out of business, if the president gets shot, if there is third world war or whatever happens, Bitcoin Cash, once this cycle is done, once this pump and dump is over, nobody will be able to stop Bitcoin Cash. Okay, nobody. It's going to the moon. Going to the moon. Take it to the bank, baby. Yep. That's it, man. Nothing can stop it. Yep. I believe in it. So don't listen to the news, you know. they gotta do what they gotta do, scare you. We are at the bottom of the crypto market. A lot of altcoins. Some altcoins haven't they will make a lower low. But hey, man, at this point, there's no point speculating or trading. Just sit back and enjoy the ride. That's it. When it goes down, you enjoy it. When it goes up, enjoy it. Just relax. Guys, you want me to stay or leave? What time is it right now? 9 o'clock. It's been almost an hour I've been live, right? I'll come tomorrow. Okay? Let's see where Bitcoin is. Look at that. Bitcoin hit 22,000. Wow. 22,684. Hey, we just mentioned that. Yeah. Done. D-U-N. D-U-N. Done. Like that. It's D-U-N. Okay. Guys, I will see you. Have a good night. Later. Have a good Monday. Okay? Prepare for the crash. Tomorrow is going to be a crash because Bitcoin has reached the top. Right? The price. So tomorrow you will see a crash. Some sort of bad news. Stock market will collapse or something will happen. And, don't be surprised because it's just a chart. This chart says it will go down. So it doesn't matter what the news, will come. It's going to go down. Tomorrow the market will go down. Okay? So don't be shocked. But this up and down is just for a little bit. End of March, you'll see a nice pump. End of March, first week of April, you'll see a nice pump. So just play the game. Well, up and down game. Seesaw. All right. I'll see you.